And today, me and my dog, Tom. Yes. Say hello to everyone. Tom. Tom. I love him. Even he's a pet. Even he's my pet. So he has some friends, actually. But he's not real. So it doesn't matter. But it will always be real for me. So he has some friends. Hey, stop noting. It will be real for me. Yay, okay. So he has some friends. Yeah. And his tail is... Don't know, I was told it. Fix your tail. Okay? Always told him. Okay, go. No! Okay. There you go. So he's one of my best. When I was like 2, 3 years old, I played with him a lot. He also played with me. And still now I play with him. So that's it, guys. I'm so sorry. What a short video. So sorry. We'll make that again. Bye. Say bye to everyone, Tom. Come on. Yay, bye.